everybody? General 315 back again. Another sneaker review video for y'all. Today we got the Jordan 13 French Blues on deck. It's an early look. I got them from my friends over at KQ. Y'all know what KW is about. They sent these over for a quick review, and I want to jump into this one with y'all. So before I get started, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys share the video, thumbs up the video, like the video, all those good things that everybody else says in theirs. Make sure you guys do that here on this channel. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure you guys follow on Instagram. Go to Instagram, follow my Instagram. Things that I've done, things that I will be doing next, you'll see everything there. Also, follow us in the Discord. The Discord channel is popping. We got a really good community in there. If y'all have difficulties finding kicks, where the cops, all that other stuff, y'all might want to join us in the Discord. We will help you out. We will help you find kicks. We even trade kicks between each other. If we got it, we try and help you, everybody else get it. So make sure you guys go and join in the Discord. It's popping in there, all right? So Jordan 13 French Blues. So when I first saw this pair of shoes, it immediately reminded me of a pair of maroon or burgundy Jordan 13s that I seen with a gray toe. I think they're called the gray toes. This shoe immediately reminded me of those. And I knew once I saw this shoe that this was going to be one that I think will sell out. The reason is, not only did everybody love the gray toe burgundy joints, but this shoe right here specifically has the Flint style colorway. It has a lot of Flint-esque swag to it, and everybody loves the Flints. Now the Flint is probably the most versatile Jordan ever. You can wear that with anything. You can put the Flints on with purple, you can put it on with green, you can put it on with orange, camel sweats, whatever. You could put the Flints on and your outfit automatically is still popping. And that's how I feel about the Flints, and that's actually how a lot of people feel about just the Flint 13s. It's, for some reason, it's the Flints. Now this has the same colors as the Flints. Essentially, it's just the blocking is a little different. Now, I think that this shoe is gonna pop way more than those Brave Blue 13s that came out. So let's jump into this real quick, and we're gonna see side by side with the Flints why I think that this will pop, all right? So breaking the shoe down, white upper, and you got that leather on the upper instead of the reflective. Very, very nice tumbled leather on there. Y'all see that tumbledness? This tumbledness is crazy. Y'all see what time it is on this tumbled leather. Then you have some nice blue suede, and something about this blue, I don't know what it is, but it's this blue particularly that really speaks to me. And this is that Flint style blue, French blue, whatever blue it is. It's this blue. I don't care if it's the French blue 12s, if it's the Flints, or if it's this one. It's this blue specifically that pops. And that blue is on pretty much the mid panel of the shoe and a little bit of the upper. It's around the back as well. And then you have the nice gray toe box, and I like how it's not too dark of a gray. If this would have been darker, I think the shoe would have not looked as good as it does right here. This looks really, really nice. It kind of gives that Georgetown-esque, Dallas Cowboys-esque if you guys are fans. Now remember, Jordan 13s crease hard in that toe box. I keep saying it in my videos when I do Jordan 13 videos. If you like them with a little character in the toe box, that's fine. I just think that they don't look as good as they should when this is all creased up. Pods are white, and I think that looks nice, and you have some accents of the gray right here on the bottom. Going to the outsole of the shoe, the outsole, this pretty much looks like a Flint outsole. It really does. It looks very, very similar. Not too bad. You got white pods here. You got some French blue going through. This pretty much looks like a Flint carbon fiber type bottom piece right here, and it looks okay. I do like that color scheme right there. We still get that signature eye piece right here, that cat eye with the Jumpman in there, and that looks really, really nice. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe. There's a little bit more of that blue so y'all can see it. It's really nice, y'all. You guys can see a little bit of transition right there. You guys can see that. I think if I brushed it, it definitely would lift up a little bit more. I was lazy. I didn't want to brush it. I just wanted to do the video. Right here on the tag, I've seen some images right here on the tag right here for the toe. I've seen images of this being blue with white and not black with red. So I'm actually wondering if this is gonna change. And this is actually kind of stuck down in there too. So that's a little flaw that they got at KQ, but whatever, we'll get past that. No extra laces going up. The tongue is white. And then we have that red Jumpman right there, which just sticks very nice, looks good. So standard shoe tree comes with these joints, nothing too crazy. And the actual insole is stuck down in there. They glued it down, so I can't pull it out, but it did feel like a standard foam, one of those thin foam, blue foam insoles, so it didn't really feel special. It felt like it was alright, like it was a little comfortable, but I don't think it's gonna be anything spectacular like the polyurethane insole in a Jordan 11. It's not gonna be like that. And then we have a white sock liner, and that's pretty much it for this one. I think if we look at these flints and then we look at these joints right here, these two shoes have a lot in common. I think if we look at both shoes right here, I think that you could go with the Flint on any given day, even though the gray's a little darker, or you could go with the French blue. So really, when you look at both shoes have the ability to be very versatile in an outfit. So if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, colorway wise, I'm giving it a solid 8 because it's not crazy. It's not spectacular, but the ability to match it with almost anything makes it very versatile. So I'll give it an 8, but you know, the colorway is not crazy. Construction and materials is kick-hoo. I mean, I'll give it a 9. The leather is great. We don't know if that little black tag is accurate or not. I'll still give it a 9 for materials. It's just that one little spot that we don't know. This is an early look, so we just got to take what we can and make our best judgments. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope it helps you make a decision. I think this shoe releases November, October. I can't remember when the shoe releases. I'll put the release date on the bottom of the screen, but make sure you guys are ready, have your money ready. I think this one will go quickly. This is one of those GRs that I think is gonna fly. So just be ready, all right? So y'all stay humble, y'all stay blessed. I'll see y'all on the next review. General 315, peace.